Hey everybody, your Harley Parts Guy here. We have an open box item. This thing is literally like new. First and foremost, I went through everything in the box. It looks like it is complete. I've got the clamps, the hardware, both sets of heat shields. As you can see, these are the headers. I left them wrapped up. They're in perfect condition. And we got the muffler. So what we got here is a Vance Hines 2-in-1 Pro pipe. This fits 12 through 17 FLS, FXS, FLST models. Part number, so you can reference it online, 17571. Again, this is in absolute pristine condition. It is an open box item. Retail on this pipe used to be $8.99. I'm asking only $500 plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a DM. Otherwise, if you're looking for anything else, make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.